Carlos, and also thank you for calling expert. I don't think I'm an expert. I'm just a tobacco person working in the tobacco industry. But yeah, I've been in fighting illicit trade for the last 5-6 years in Philip Morris, and we are doing a lot to fight the illicit trade of the product and the money flows. And panelists have mentioned, and you also mentioned, the interoperability. I think that's a key point. And technology can help. It can help a lot. And I'm a strong believer that technology is increasing transparency, and blockchain does exactly that. And transparency is something, and accountability, transparency, which technology can bring, is something which criminal organizations don't like. And you can create easier to bribe a person than to bribe a machine. And it's, so I do think it's not a silver bullet, but it does go in the right direction. So what we have done in the last years using technology is introducing a track and tracing system of all our products. To do this, the words interoperability and standards clearly come into place, and the European Commission, so the European Union, introduced a system in all the 28 European countries, and there was a political will to do that and an organizational will to do it. So the European Union and the Commission are driving that. They have a mandate to introduce regulation. And it's only having the same standards, same interoperability between countries, which makes sense having a track and tracing system. Because another product that coming from Germany going to Italy, if the systems are not interoperable, how do I recognize if it's a product is genuine or not? I think facing the same issues if each country makes an app which they don't connect in terms of the health situation or a person on COVID. There has to be interoperability. That's a clear thing. So technology can help, but there has to be a political will. Countries need to be willing to give up part of their sovereignty. There has to be an international organization that take that mandate. And I think in case of the health, there is one, because the health organization, the World Health Organization, is there for that. Maybe they have to, the mandate that needs to be changed or some ways adapted, but to have more implementing powers. But clearly, it has to be an international organization. I think there is one. I just mentioned the World Health Organization. Like in Europe, there is the European Union in terms of track and tracing. But technology also helps with artificial intelligence. In order to artificial intelligence, in order to really use and all the data you have on the net, and to be able to screen it and to find patterns of illicit trade and money flow. So it's another part of technology which is helping a lot to the industry in order to counter the organized crime and fighting illicit trade. But interoperability is in my view a key word to make all these technologies effective.